Hello guys, today we are going to fix charger as you saw in the thumbnail. This is the charger. Usually people get problem on this corner, you can see it. On this corner usually people get problem, or here. Otherwise this charger itself become faulty. So in this case the problem is wire. If you check it out, the 19 volt is present here, but it is not coming on this point. So in this scenario you can repair your charger if you don't want to buy it. I'll show you how I can do it. With the minimum tools you can do it yourself and you can save your money. So stay tuned. So here you can see I have connected the power cable and we will check the voltage, what voltage we are getting. So if I keep one probe on the negative side and if I keep one probe inside, you can see the voltage is not coming. Okay, but if I keep here on the broken wire and if it touches properly to the ground wire, here you can see one probe I have inserted inside and the other one is on the ground pin. So you can see the 19 volt is coming. That means there is a disconnection of this wire. So it's a simple repair, guys. If you don't want to spend, just simply cut the rubber from here until here, and then you can solder it. If you do not have a soldering machine, in that case you can tape it firmly and then your charger will be good to go. But since we have professional tools, we will do it professionally. Here I will disconnect the wire and then I cut the rubber till the end. So here you can see, guys, there are two wires. One is the ground and the other one is the main line. So see what I am doing. Now we have done it like this, and then this side. So here we have increased the wire length a little bit and we are going to solder it like this. The ground should be on the ground and the main should be here. But to do it we need to apply some flux here and we have to apply some lead over the wire. So we will do it, and also we need heat shrink tube to make sure it will not short together. Lead based wire produces lot of smoke, so make sure you should not inhale it because it is not healthy. Okay guys, so it is done now. Just apply little more flux and then cut this heat shrink pipe accordingly. So before soldering it together we need to insert this heat shrink insulator based on requirement. And then we have two more, and now you can solder it. So we'll solder it the main wire first. Before that we have to put this one. Soldering one side is enough. Just insert it little bit inside and apply heat. So here one wire is ready, and now we will put this one as well. It's a bit lengthy, we will reduce it. Okay guys, the soldering has been done. Now do the same thing, apply the heat. Now you can see the both places soldering has been done. And now we have to drag this heat shrink insulator. So now apply some heat here as well. Okay guys, so it has been completed, but since my heat shrink tube was bit smaller, so I couldn't drag it till here. In your case you have to buy a bigger one so that it will come till here. So what I'll do is I'll apply some Fevikwik. So the Fevikwik has been applied, and now it has become hard as earlier. Okay, now we will check it out whether we are getting the voltage or not. So guys, you can see here, if I connect it, we are getting 19 volts. So it is fixed now. So guys, this is how we fix the electronics. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and share it with friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.